Back here at Access Auto Sales, we got another new arrival. 2007 Chevy Cobalt LT, four-door sedan in black. Car's in pretty good condition. It's got 124,000 miles on it. One of our value line cars, so we took it in as a trade-in, and we're going to go through it thoroughly and make sure everything is set. People that traded in bought a Jeep from us. They had this car, I think, for 2 or 3 years. Pretty clean car. We got a little work to do on the seats, a little bit more detailing. Power windows, power locks, automatic air conditioning. It's got cruise control, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty basic car, but $39.95. It's here at Access Auto Sales. We're open Monday through Saturday. Just give us a call, 489-1100, or catch us on the website that you see right there. We service these cars, we sell these cars, we take them in on trade, we buy cars. Come down and see us. Thanks.